Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about the terms involved in an expression. So I will directly start by writing out an expression right here, 3x plus 5. This is an expression with two terms, so it is called a binomial. The expression with one term is called a monomial. The expression with two terms, that is called binomial. And then the three terms, trinomial. With four terms, quadrinomials or polynomials. So the expression with three or more terms, four or more terms is called a polynomial. So today our objective is to learn the terms involved in an expression. So I'm going to give you idea of three terms. So that is a constant term, a variable, and a coefficient. So here, we have the first term here is 3x. So here your x is a variable. Okay, so any letter, alphabetical letter involved in an expression or term is called a variable. And then a number involved in the term with variable. I'm talking about this number right here, not this number, not 5, because I'm talking about the number involved in the term with variable. So this is the term with variable 3x. So I'm talking about this 3 right here, and that number which is involved in a term with variable, that is called a coefficient. And then the number standing by itself, the independent number by itself, is the constant. That is called a constant. The number with variable is a coefficient, and then the next number by itself is a constant. Okay, so we learn about three terms: variable, constant, and a coefficient. The constant is constant because the value of the term with constant only does not change because it does not have a variable. So here, variable, that means its value varies. The value of x can be a 0, 1, 1,000, a millions. It can be anything. Okay, since the term has the variable, the value varies, right? So that letter or the terms, and the number involved in that term is not a constant because the term's value varies because of the variable being involved. Okay, let me give you next example with three terms: 3x plus 2x squared plus 5. Let's say 2x squared y. So here we have two variable. We have two coefficient, 2 and 3, because we have two terms with variable. Okay, so the first term 3x is with variable x, and the term 2x squared y is with variable x squared y. So here 3 is the coefficient of, let me write coefficient as c of x, right? And 2 is the coefficient of x squared y. And here 5 is constant because it is not with variable. I mean, it does not have any alphabetical letters. It is standing by itself. Okay, so in an expression there can be more than more or less than two variables. Okay, if any numbers are in a term with variable, then those are called coefficient, and then the number by itself are called constant. Okay, this is it for this lecture.